What's up, good people? It's a girl Dianambaye. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Guys, I know you're not ready for this. I'm going to surprise you guys. This is my first time to do a travel vlog. I mean. And guys, see, I'm so excited. Guess where I'm going? Guess where I'm fucking going? Yeah, so I'm going to Mombasa Raha, and guys, I'm so excited. Like, I'm so fucking excited. Yeah, so guys, I know you're wondering. I'm saying that I'm going to Mombasa and yet I'm at work. Well, I just decided to pass by instead of sitting at home being idle. Just decided to come to work first because you know this Kenyan wakubwa. Yeah, so guys, I just decided to come to work and report in so that it may not be said that I wasn't available. So I am here at work till midday, and then I'll be going to the station. Yeah, I had booked an SGR train. Yeah, so I think it will be leaving at 3 p.m. So actually leaving at work at 12 p.m. and then I go there so that I may not be able to be late. Guys, let's go and see this new place. You know, I've never been to Mombasa. This is my first time. I remember, yes, I've been to Mombasa, but I was there because of the school things and because of the music festivals in high school. And you know, that time I didn't get that enough time to maybe explore Mombasa and know it very well, but now this is the only chance I have, and I'm going to explore it very well. This is my first time to go and use an SGR train. By the way, I've never been in a train. This is my first time, and guys, I'm going to share with you the experience, and I hope you're going to like it. So if you're new, feel so much welcome. I really love new people, and for my returning subscribers, see, I love you so much. I really love you, and I'm doing all this because of you guys. And I know most of you suggested that I go to Mombasa, and here I am. I'm doing this because of you, and I really love you so much. Yeah, so guys, let's go. Let's see. Okay, I can't wait for 12 to reach me. I'm so excited. Like, and guys, I know, don't mind my voice. Actually, ni venye ni kabaridi kasubuhi, lakini it will be okay during the day. Yeah, so let's go and see. Guys, I'm so happy. Yo. Hi guys, so here we are, and now we're on our way to we are at the, I don't know, Mombasa City Cabanas. I don't know. I forgot to show you guys, but don't worry, next time I'll show you. And yeah, let's go and let's wait and see. First of all, we may not have been able to go, but we may return from so let's wait and see. And bye, let's meet at the railway station. So guys, we are here. Yeah, even after the long rush, rushing to the SGR station. I don't know how it's called. I've forgotten its name. Yeah. So even after rushing and all that, and trying our best, at the end of the day, I have to surprise you guys that churros is not gone. Like, even water, we were late. And guys, what should we do? To me, actually, this is my ticket. Yeah, and to head. So guys, I arrived in the morning at 5 a.m. and we're here in the Kofeli, crossing to the other side, and yeah, so let's go. For me, you know, I fear this thing.